Hey everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas and welcome to Nailmas Day 5. Today we are doing a super simple design and it's using two polishes from Eternal Nail Polish. And I'm really excited about it because it is super simple. So first, of course, you want to put on your base coat. Then you want to grab a red polish of your choice. I am using the Classic Red shade by Eternal Nail Lacquer or nail polish. I'm not sure which term they use. I don't have a bottle next to me right this very moment, but this one covers extremely nicely in one coat. So if you wanted to be done in one, you could, but I like the fuller feel of two coats, so you can also do two. Then of course you want to let that completely dry, and then you want to go in with a gold glitter topper, and we're just going to do it more concentrated towards the cuticle. Of course you don't want to put too much polish on and make it like super thick at the top, so just dab it on. Then you want to make sure that you get a lot of the polish off your brush and sort of do a dry brush method and pull some of the glitter down in towards the middle part of your nail, and that is going to help you get that glitter gradation feel without using any tools, which is super nice, and it also makes this super quick and easy to do. You can kind of just continue to play with it until you're happy with it. Once that is done, you want to let it dry so you don't pull anything whenever you apply top coat. Then you float your top coat on and you are good to go. Super easy, really fun, cute manicure that you could do in so many different color combinations. All you need is a cream color and a glittery topper of some sort. So that is officially it for today. I hope you guys enjoy this, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow for another new video. Bye!